A tire repairman was getting married because he had never had sexual relations before, so he asked his friend what he should do on the first night. His friend said, "If there's a hole, just put it in." A week later, the tire repairman married the girl he loved. On the first night, the tire repairman remembered what his friend had said. When he saw the ear hole, he put his heirloom in, but his wife screamed in pain. He also gave up his intention. Then he looked at the nostrils and did it again like the first time, and his wife screamed again. After doing the same thing 3 times in a row, he was confused and thought that his friend must have tricked him. Then he fell silent. After a few moments, he picked up his wife and took her to the bathroom and soaked her in the bathtub. Not long after, air bubbles appeared from his wife's body. Then she smiled and screamed with joy.